So anyway, Scotch Words. They speak in English north beyond the Tweed, the plain pure English they can barely read. Yet when without a book they come to speak, their lingo seems half English and half Greek. Their jaws are chafs, their horns when close their knees, their bread's not cut in slices, but in sheaves. Their armpits are their oaksters, palms are loofs, their men are chields, their timid fools are coofs. Their lads are callants and their women kimmers, good lassies, dainty queens, and bad ones limmers. They thole when they endure, they scart when they scratch, and when they take a sample, it's a swatch. Scolding is flighting, and a long palaver is nothing but a blether or a haver. This room they call the butt, and that the ben, and what they do not know they dinna ken. On keen cold days the wind blaws snell, and they have words that Johnson could not spell. And when they wipe their nose they dicht their bike, and which means anything you like. While some, though purely English and well known, have yet a Scottish meaning of their own. To prig is to plead, to cut down a thing in cost. To cough is to purchase, and a cough's a host. To crack is to converse, lifts the sky, and bairns are set to greet when children cry. When lost, folk never ask the way they want. They spear the gate, and when they yawn, they gaunt. Beetle with them's a cloak, a flame's a low. Their straw is stray, choff cough, and haul how. A pickle means a few, muckle is big, and a piece of crockeryware is called a pig. Speaking of pigs, when Lady Delacour was on her celebrated Scottish tour, one night she made her quarters at the Crown, the head inn of a well-known country town. The chambermaid, in lighting her to bed, before withdrawing, curtsied low and said,
Almost stand too close. A wee bit closer.
Can you hear us down there?
Oh yes.
This nicht is called, my lady, would you please, to hae a pig in the bed to warm your teas.
A pig in the bed to tease. What's that you see? You are impertinent. Away, away.
Me impudent? No, ma'am, I meant nae harm, but just the grey-beard pig to keep you warm.
Insolent hussy, to confront me so. This very instant shall your mistress know. The bell, there's none of course. Go send her here.
My mistress, ma'am, I dinna need to fear. In sooth, it was hersel that bade me speer. Nae insult, ma'am. We thought you'd be glad on this cold nicht to hae a pig in the bed.
Stay, gal. Your words are strangely out of place, and yet I see no insult in your face. It is a custom in your country, then, for ladies to have pigs in bed with them.
Oh, aye, quite a custom with the gentles, ma'am. With gentle ladies, aye, and gentlemen. In troth, if single, they would certainly miss their hot pig on a cold drift night like this.
I have seen strange countries, but this surely beats their rudest makeshifts. For a warming pan, you would not put the pig between the sheets.
Surely, my lady, and nae other where. Please, ma'am, you'll find it today the maist get there.
Fie, would dirty them, and if I keep in fear of that, you know, I could not sleep.
You'll sleep for better, ma'am. Tak my advice. The nights blaw snell, the sheets are cold as ice. I'll fetch you up a fine, warm, cosy pig. I'll make you so comfortable and trig. With curtains and blankets, every kind of hap, and warrant you to sleep as soon's a tap. As for the filing of the sheets, dear me, the pig's as clean outside as pig can be. A weel closed mouth's enough for other folk, but if you like, I'll put it in a poke.
But Effie, that's your name, I think you said. Do you yourself now take a pig to bed?
Ah, no, ma'am. Pigs are only for the great, who lie in feather beds and sit up late. Feathers and pigs are no for peer riff-raff. Me and my neighbour lassie lie on cough.
What's that? A cough? If I your sense can gather, you and the other lassies sleep together, two in a bed, and with a calf between. That, I suppose, my girl, is what you mean.
No, no, my lady. Od you're joking you. We sleep together, that's very true. But not between us, we our claes all off, except your sarks, we lie upon the calf.
Well, well, my girl, I am surprised to hear that we of English habits live so near such barbarous customs. Effie, you may go. As for the pig, I thank you, but no, no, I'd rather be without both pig and calf.
On the return of Lady Delacour, she wrote a book about her northern tour, wherein the facts are graphically told that Scottish gentlefolks, when nights are cold, take into bed fat pigs to keep them warm, while common folk who share their bed in halves, denied the richer comforts of the farm, can only warm their sheets with lean, cheap calves. They often say that Britain and America are two countries divided by the same language. So you can see that England and Scotland share common words, but were divided as well.